Hello po, what's your name and course po?
I'm Clarice Denise Correa from BSBA FM.
What is your feedback po about the film of Find the Value of X?
Para sa akin, maganda yung pag-film po nila and may mapupulutan ka rin aral at saka maganda din po yung plot twist na pinakita po.
Thank you.
So, what is your name and district po?
Marcris Osorio, BSBA Marketing Management.
So, what is your honest review po about Find the Value of X?
Ang honest review ko dyan